In this video, I will show you step by step how we take out the braces at the end of the orthodontist treatment. It's very simple. There are many different instruments to take out the brackets. This is what actually is instructed by this technique. Normally use multi-use the brackets remove. Actually using the wire cutter, which is not a good idea, but it do the job as long as you know how to do it. The key thing is when you take out this bracket, you have to make sure that you don't break the when you do that, you have to make sure you hold the release the slight pressure, engaging separating gently those clicks before and this is the after, but you know it originally the patient had a lot of crooked teeth on the back. This video is just for the instruction how to remove brackets. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day and subscribe to see more.